Moplemena bo sister stock feeling. Ama cheetah de koni. Mam ko pose boni. Na we ring ma phone. Moplemena bo sister stock feeling. Ama cheetah de koni. Mam ko pose boni. Na we ring account.
This is Maazo. You're watching Ring Akao on Rising Sun TV, channel 504 on Starset.
Ring account.
Sanbonani to everyone that is watching this lovely show called Ringagao, and this is your boy B Umfanaga Boys. And yes, season 2 sisabangena namhlanje hayi yazi kuthiwa sikuphi sibangena eSoweto lapha Komaro just to go check out ukuthi kuyenzakalani lapha Afro West event. Mana mina ngikho bafethu ngihlezi nani khona namhlanje la e-studio. Man ngithi ukuphumula kancane yazi ngoba zisazobuya zisazokhala sisazozula sibizihlangana nabantu. But for now I'll check in uPonso wakaPakiso ukuthi kuyenzakalani lapha eAfro West. I think they're going to be talking about what's going to be happening lapha ngeJune 16 movement or event. Babe bakhuluma ngento zama June 16. You know, Black Consciousness, our history. Come let's make sure ukuthi siyazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani. So uzobahlezi nabantu aba different khona lapha. And never forgetting Lady Mpilo, she'll be talking around angazi ukuthi liphi artist elizobe khona li perform khona la studio. But you're still watching your lovely show called Ringagao only on Rising Sun TV channel 504. Umfanaga Boys outing it idlulisele ku Sister Pakiso. So ngibona bafethu nginani ngisilolo. See you guys just up Ringagao.
Welcome back from the break. Usahlele noPonso Pakisi intombi yaseMatatiyela kamzomba nangisho kamnqayi phela le ekhoneni. Abanye bathi sikamnqayi lambile mina ngithi kukamnqayi ekhoneni. Angihlalanga ngedwa ke. Senamukela ku Ringagao channel 504 only on Starset. Angihlalanga ngedwa namhlanje nginesivakashi since kuJune 16 and then sizokhuluma kabanzi lokuthi ubongosi. Sabona manje. Sabona sisijana. Ngiyavela bandale. Yeah. Ngicela ukubukela bethu kabanzi ngawo nje ukuthi ubani ubongosi. And then tell them about your outfit because damn, elibro lolugqokile.
Let's Bafin sanibonani kaMbongosi ngikhathele mashini mahlangene thiwa indlubu zamila ebubuyini ukuthi nje angeke ngibise straight kodwa bafethu mina I'm an artist, I'm a graphic designer, more I've got a brand called Benefas. So what I do is basically that I'm a creative, and this is the outfit Usisi is talking about. I hope you have funny story about this. Anyway, I'm always for pro-black. I don't hate any other race, no. I always say big up. Don't dark as I'm always everywhere. So this is why I chose the outfit that I chose. As you can see, African patterns.
Yeah.
I'm Zulu. That's always one thing I will always represent.
Okay.
But before being Zulu, I'm African.
Yeah.
Hence, that's why I've got the other colors, which I won't lie. In shining day, for me, I'm going down.
Yeah.
I just don't do
You look
African pattern.
Yeah, look at.
I'm always African. My hair as well. It's Kalsa.
Okay. I'm talking about ngalesikhathi ngitshele ngabanzi ngaso ukuthi what does it mean to you? What does it represent? Yes.
The first time I actually got this card was when I did a video for a track called Noels. Noels is a celebration of my blackness, my black skin, the melanin. And when I got this, it was a way of, when things are too much into history. But each tribe and each race has got their own form of weaponry.
Okay.
So I'm a warrior.
Yeah.
I'm a fighter. Wherever I am, I always represent blackness.
Zulu warrior.
As a fighter and a warrior, this becomes my symbol for my wilderness. I would have had a howl, like a shield, but
Yeah.
it would have been too much.
Yeah.
I'm still in the 21st century.
But it shows what you are proud.
No, I am.
Yeah.
Yo, I am.
Okay, I'm telling you, namhlanje I need to celebrate June 16th.
Yes.
So just tell me ukuthi wena June 16th uthi namhlanje le day yanamhlanje
Should see.
when yeah as a youth.
Well, my concept of what I'm celebrating is I'm not even celebrating the youth that I am. I'm celebrating the youth that may come of what I am doing.
Okay.
You know, a saying that I believe in where Utiwa, you may plant a tree. A wise man knows Uti. He may plant a tree and not enjoy the shade.
Okay.
So it is a consequence thereof ukuthi yazi of it. Into engiyenza namhlanje ngoba inhloso yami ikwazi ukuyiphakamela ngayithama la balance so I can carry on with that pattern,
Okay.
I should say.
Yeah.
So June 16 for me is a way of saying the youth did 1, 2, 3 in 1976, but
Yeah.
today we are fighting for something different.
Yeah.
Our oppression is not the same as back then. Now our oppression is more mental than anything else. So we need to change mind state, youth, and it starts with us, man. Because right. Otherwise, till I says proclaiming.
Ngicela ukuthi utshele ababukeli bethu emakhaya ukuthi uma bekufuna utholakala kuphi as like social media, Instagram or Facebook, yabona zonke lezo zinto lezo ukuthi utholakala kanjani.
Okay. You can find me on Instagram, Metaphors, MEDAPHORZ_. That's how you spell Metaphors. And then on Twitter it's MEDA4Z_IDE. That's iDream Entertainment. Same as on Facebook. And then about TikTok. I know it's me and I'm more shabu. I would say but there's TikTok, so yeah, that's where the craziness is just like near caught the metaphors.
Okay.
So don't judge anything you find on TikTok because hey man, it's a world
Alright, Kudami siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usivakashele nokuthi uzoshitshela kabanzi ngawe and celebrating June 16. Babukele emakhaya usahleli noBonzo ngohlaba lapha intombi yaseMatatiyela ngisho kaMzongwana kamnqayiphe khona sisasekuringa ngawo channel 504 only on Star Set. Lalela, we are coming back sisayibreaking kancane siyobhadala inkolodo siyisithi khokhomoya siphuza amanzi siyabuya njengamanje.
Ring a cow. Welcome back from the break of faith. We're still at Silver Coast. So today I'm with one of them is the person, the guy that performing hip hop. This guy is so mounty, versatile. He does a lot of stuff, but that's it. See what I'm saying? He's like flies on the front. Say, well,
If I wish you guys out, to shine, each and every genre doesn't matter what you got paid, or the piano, or the hip hop, or the R&B, and shower up.
I find a little bit of keep it complex, keep it set. So guys, I'm an artist from Zimbabwe.
No.
So you're an artist from where?
Protea South. So
Protea South. It's along the line of Zimbabwe. So you come all the way from Protea South. You can put it in word in Zimbabwe. You know what? Tell the people that are listening, tell the people that are watching, who's live. Say something.
Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, listen. Yo, this is Candice McKenzie, Ubuntu Sister Party, GLY-ER, what is appetizer. I'm doing everything, I'm doing hip hop, I'm doing piano, shower side, my face. I ain't even cry, man. When I get like from the start to say, like, you know what, music, I did. It's a kazini, it's in my veins, you know what I mean? So So, okay, cool. I do piano, hip hop, R&B, gospel, each and everything that you can think of, yeah.
So basically you do music. So on rap, let's talk about music. But for this year, are you registered with Cyber?
Yeah, I am.
Are you earning from your royalties? Am I earning? Yeah, I'm getting money from your music basically. Because you register, I need to register with Cyber, Capasso, Risa, Share. So all those music departments you need to register. So are you earning for that?
Oh yeah. I am earning.
And then what's your latest music that you've dropped recently? What are you pushing?
My latest song that I'm pushing currently is in front of the one that I play for here, the other song that I put in front of it, the latest song that I'm pushing currently, yes.
So in front of that, is it out on iTunes? What type of music stores did you drop your music?
Okay, cool. Then it's not out yet. It's not out. And it's probably okay. I'm dropping it next month.
So you're dropping this month? I know that it doesn't. I'm so happy that you came to support the Cyber movement. Perform the craft, that's empowered. So the people that are watching, where can they find you on Facebook because you walk?
On Facebook, my Facebook is GLY_R. My Facebook _RSA or underscore is A. Yeah.
Instagram, Twitter, TikTok.
I do everything my Facebook like GLY_R guys on my Facebook like it doesn't matter who's you like it. It's TikTok or Facebook, you know what I mean? Yeah, you can do it all my Facebook like yeah.
So clients are everywhere. And those clients are Facebook, artists at Kenya. So all the way from Kenya. So quite small way. This is Zimbabwe, so Zimbabwe stand up. And we still at Chile on Facebook. Zimbabwe, Chile, there's finance, Zimbabwe. So if you watching Ring Account on Rise TV, to 544, on your star setting code, I'll see it on Facebook. See you just like on Ring Account.
Welcome back. Siyanabukela futhi uRingakawu Channel 504 Rising Star. Igama lami nguBonso Mhlakwana Mpakisi intombi yaseMatateni. Kamzongwana ngisho phela le kamnqa ekhoneni. Lalela. Today we are celebrating i-16 June. So la studio angihambi ngedwa nginama guest ahlukahlukile azositshela ukuthi bona i-June 16 ichaza ukuthini bona. Like and we're on season 2 kuRingakawu. I mean like I'm the co-host. All right. Buta onjani? Ngiyabula unjani? Ngicela ngibambe imali. Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela ukuthi uzi-introduce ebukalala emakhaya njengokuthi ubani, ilanga lakho belinjani namhlanje, nje bekwenzakalani ngokuthi i-June 16 imina uthini.
Okay, igama lami nguNdlonyembre. I'm a musical artist, but today I had to add in Enyido on my catalog, which is to be an MC.
Okay.
Yeah, so today I was quizzed in as an MC, which we have a very, very good event. You know, sharing some knowledge, some good knowledge. Then we with all the young adults who were here as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a good day. June 16 was a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what does it mean to you, to be a youth like right now?
To be honest with you, I'm only discovering that now. But previously I was just kind of like lost with okay, what are we celebrating? Yeah, they fought for something, but still we don't have it.
Yeah,
so you feel like okay, there's no need for us to celebrate it because still as I told everybody well. But as time goes and now I feel like from now going forward, I know the purpose of celebrating, you know, such days.
Okay.
And I feel like we, as youth, we need to get together and discuss ways of celebrating this in a way that's going to be beneficial to the youth.
Yeah, and supporting each other.
Supporting each other in the process. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do apart from being an MC?
I'm an agricultural technician, I'd like to say.
Wow.
So yeah, I'm into the agriculture. But besides that, major thing I'm doing is just being a rap artist.
Okay.
That's the major thing that's been pushing. So yeah, if looking for anything, Ndlonyembre is the name. just touching everything. Yeah, what?
No, but because we are the youth in South Africa, and
because it's so nice going into fields that people don't really invest their time and knowledge into. Because the agriculture, it's one of those fields, they don't have knowledge now. So being a young person in that field makes it easy for other young people to connect with that field.
And you know, I don't know anything about agriculture. And yes, we see agriculture, nothing about it. So it's actually interesting because mind you are young, but with agriculture. How did that come about?
Being in the rep, one person who put me onto that was my uncle.
Are you passionate about it?
Yeah, super passionate.
Do you love it?
At first I did. It was like, that's it. But as soon as I jumped into the field, that's when I started, learning things. I was like, okay, this is nice. Oh, I didn't know about this, That's when I discovered that agriculture holds the whole food chain.
Yeah.
The whole food security. That chain as a whole. So I was like, okay, this is a huge need. We definitely need to know about this. So yeah, right now I'm deep.
You are deep, yes, we our connection in here, is it?
Yes.
So do you have to go to school to in order for you to?
You definitely need school. Definitely need school for it.
Yeah, alright. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usivakashele lana namhlanje eRingakawu uzocelebrate nathi, and especially njengaku June 16, and tell us about yourself and your journey, and then as a rapper, do you have an album? What is going on there?
Recently we just released the track titled Nobody, and then it got released with a promo video corner. If you're looking for it, you can check it out on YouTube. It's Tony M3 worldwide. If you're looking for anything that has to do with me across all platforms. So yeah, we just recently dropped that. Prior to that, we're doing the Freestyle Friday on Channel O. And prior to that, I dropped a EP project. I don't really want to call it an EP. I call it a compilation because I just took a couple of tracks, put them together, and I released it. So it's more on some love touch.
Okay,
So if you're more into R&B rap, then you can definitely gonna love that.
Yeah, baby. We all need some love.
Stitches, but you feel like
Yeah. Alright, ke babukela emakhaya siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi sibe nohloni, sikwazi ukuthi simazi. Like sizwe ukuthi uthini yena ngaye. Ushilo ke nokuthi ningamthola kuphi uma nimfuna, ama Twitter handles wakhe nazo zonke izinto. Mina nguBonso Pakisi intombi yaseMatatiyela. Kamnqa ngisho phela kamzobona le khona abanye bathi kamnqa ulambile, abanye bathi kamnqa ekhona, kodwa mina ngithi kukamnqa ngoba indawo yami leyana. SisasebuRingakawu, Channel 504 on season 2.
Ringakawu. Welcome back, Bafetti, still watching your lovely show called Ringakawu, and this is your boy B Umfana Boys in Tinyanchel. Hi, show nani nisbonele yabona ukuthi yazi kuyenzakalani abantu bayahlala phansi baringe ngoba it's all about conversation, all about context. Ningizwele nami ke usisi Pakisi uBonso uyanitshela uhleze lapha naye uBhongani Mr Metaphor Mr Beneplus unitshela kabanzi ngebrand yakhe ukuthi kwenzakalani yazi eplasini bathi iBeneplus phakathi kwenzakalani ngebrand yakhe, and all about that ukutshela ngani ngeattire yakhe yesintu, and then they talk about your June 16 concept and so on. So niyazi bafethu, it's all about Ringakawu.
yeah. Turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah, yeah. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah. Turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around. Yeah, man. What's up? What's up? What's going on, man? Nah, man, just turn around and see what you see, cause I'm just running out of time, man. Call that beach, man. I'm running out of time, man. Let my niggas right now, cause I'm on the way, you know. Okay, let me just hook up the Uber for you. We'll see, man. Yeah. Turn around, see the light. Don't you lie, cause I know the rules. Turn around, see the light. Don't you lie, cause I know the rules. I just wanna get on man before it's 25. And I know a lot of niggas that be asking for my baby bodies, man. Feeling so great now with my nigga with the realest now. I don't wanna run, I just wanna get millions now. I don't wanna run, I just get up with my niggas now. I don't wanna run, I just call up with my fellas now. We be running a lot of tenders, yeah. Yo, young princess like Sabulala, Joe. It's in just some Sabulala, yo. We be taking a couple minutes in the weekend, you know, and running on this nigga got sick of more. I be chilling with my niggas downtown, yeah. Scott Paula, she got in Donna Lamins on Tola, who's on Comba. We practice in the Zaman Donna Saka Kota. And you know what I do, and you know what I do, yeah. I'm a shine like a diamond, you know. I'm a shine like a diamond, you know. Yeah, yeah. Every girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah, yeah. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah. Turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Tell me what you see. Turn around. Yo, check this out, there's Mido and there's Doba right there, okay? At the back of the stage, you're gonna find everybody right there. Okay, let me take this call. Slice is calling out right now, okay? We go check it out, man.
Turn around, why you lying now? I know you hate me when you sleep with other girls. Turn around, why you lying now? I know you hate me when you sleep with other girls. This is not the reason why we fighting. I wanna let the niggas know I'm on it. I wanna hit it till the morning. I wanna hit it till the morning.
Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe.
Welcome back. We're still watching Ring Akao. Nibonile ukuthi besithela around. Yo, I'm even sweating my feet. So, lana we got Low Keys. Tell us Low Keys unjani futhi? Mina ngiyaphila kakhulu ngiphila njengoshele. So, Low Keys ayaphila njengoshele, ushele ngibona uphila kakhulu nawe yonke imali ngoba ayikho imali lapho ngiyashele ngiyabona. Yeah. So, Low Keys, awusithi faka usitshele nje nawe.
My name is Loki, all the way from Roywood. People call me as Jonathan, but yeah, aka Loki Luxter. I'm from Roywood, bands in AC, songwriting, producing, composer. You know, this is who I am. Best performer, best MC. You can name all of it. You know.
Yo, niyazizwela yonke into ula ketchup yonke into best artist, best last one. Yay, sinabo busy ambassador. Okay guys, it's Low Key Buffett. Sisitshela ukuthi ubani kanjani. Lokho ngizosichazela ukuthi uqalele music.
I started music in actually I can say I started in 2007.
Okay.
That's when I started giving out music. My mom, she was a backup of Dan Chanda, you know those people.
Okay.
She was a dancer at the same time, so
So you said guys really?
Yeah, and then that's when I started. But I was forcing myself to do things when I was a lady. Like, yeah,
Still young.
Yeah, and then at the age of 17, I was starting to join the choir. Join the choir. I was just there to sing and pick up also. Kind of the vocals, outro, more bass. I learn all kinds of vocals.
Okay.
Then by the age of, when I reached when it was 2010, that's when I started producing music. I was working with Billy Law Records, which is what's changed to be a career foundation. It's a non-profit organization right now as we speak.
Okay. So, ama-challenges bekanjani mhlawumbe kumama wakho uma usafuna music acabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uzokuphazamisa esikolweni or uhlangane inkinga nje uhlangabezane nazo?
Yeah, truly speaking, when it comes to that, it was never easy.
Okay.
Because I did financial economics and accounting in school.
Yeah.
And she was actually spending more.
Focus.
I ended up being a soccer player. I was playing football, so I was a deep development.
Okay.
So I have my own space. I always have headsets,
Yeah.
put them on, invite something, always quiet. And then that's the time to write some songs. And when I have time to go to record, come up to school, I run to the studio.
I feel like when you were born as a singer.
It goes
Yeah, they would like that. Okay. So we all know ukuthi abazali bahlezi be-worried ukuthi maybe umntana ngoba seka-join special kind of hip hop. Abazali they always expecting ukuthi yo umntana uzobhema ama-drugs, umntana uzobenzani, yabo uzowenza izinto ezisnacks. So wena umconvince kanjani mama ukuthi no angeke uzuye kuleyo department?
It was so hard for me to convince her because she's been in a music industry before.
Yeah, she knows everything. She knows what is going on there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I had to make sure that I remove the vulgar with some music.
Okay.
Right now, as we speak, she's the pastor.
About beat,
Yeah.
about fat,
Yeah,
as I'm back in. Yeah, I feel like. Yeah, man.
I had to remove those kind of vulgars to make sure that she gets in touch with the music and what I'm saying through the music. Because I actually heal people with music. I actually change people with music.
Yeah.
Now, so most of the times I don't have the time to talk to my mom. I was raised with a single parent.
Oh yeah.
I'm a firstborn. I'm the only guy. I have 5 sisters that come to me. So they're all looking at me like, yeah, this brother. So you see, it was so hard for me to run.
So when you cook, it's inspiring. When my boy,
Exactly.
Yeah, so yeah.
I had to always focus on school.
Yeah.
Most of the time, because as a brother, and looking at the camera and I ran away and ran quickly to music, produce myself quickly with this small laptop that I had. Then that's how it was. Like I taught myself Fruit Loops, how to make a beat. Everything was all from scratch.
Okay, so as like we are hammer, we will perform, because once you perform, you meet different people. Okay, so when you perform, you can have abangafani futhi abantu nenhliziyo zakhona azifani. Umuntu ungamgcoba manje then sekakwatile. How do you manage those things ukuthi uhlezi ku-level not fighting with because abantu bama-hip hop bayadisana ngapha nangapha uthola usuyadiseka nje kuthiwa ngisithole sengidiseka. I'm not on MT by the way. So tshela mina lawo ma-challenges ukuthi mhlawumbe engathi usudiseka wenzenjani?
That's the truth. I also faced the challenge first time when I go to the event.
Oh yeah.
It was hard for me to step on the stage.
Yeah,
but I had good music. I was scared because the first time when I performed, it was like kind of carnival thing, but in a community.
Yeah, but more than about the might say that.
It was all it was between Rodiford, Dennis Edinville, Krugerstone, then Dave,
so
and
community,
it was a nice picnic shit.
Okay.
So the first time when I stepped on stage, I was too scared, but because of the music that I'm doing and the faith that I have, I believe in God too.
Okay. So the way my mom step up high stage, I was vibe,
I was shaking.
Yeah.
I didn't even know how to hold the mic before.
Okay,
After the
okay.
mic of recording, you stand behind the booth or behind the mic in the booth and put the headset in the car.
Yeah.
The one that you have to use for stage, I didn't even know how to hold it.
Really? Sure, you didn't even know how to open it.
Yeah, the first time I was holding it like this.
Remember the ice cream straight?
Yeah, the guy was like, yeah, bro, pick up the mic.
Yeah, man.
And then I was like, okay.
So there.
Pick up the mic. Yeah, then I was just, because of the vibe and the sound, the good music was coming out, the pumping of the sound, you know, that strong sound. People I see they were dancing, I was like, okay, I can do it.
I feel free.
I feel free. But most of the time I didn't like to perform my songs with the lyrics on.
Oh yeah.
I will rehearse my song and go with the beats and go there and do it a cappella.
Oh, so it was
So I put the
like,
song in my mind.
so it was like something like because
Yeah.
they use full beats in pen and then
It was
then
literally
it
a
starts
song.
up.
It was literally a song, but I make sure that I rehearse it. It
Yeah.
stays on my mind.
Then when you
Then
go
when I
with
go
the
perform, I
beat.
do it. I go with the beat because I was scared of my voice will sound a little bit bad.
Yeah, it was okay. Just
I
something
was
somehow.
scared of that. It was my first time. So when I'm not actually catching up, I just vibe with the
With a beat,
Yeah,
you just go like that. Okay, I feel you, I feel you. And when it's hip hop, you can even leave lento to live and you just dance it. You're going to do that feeling.
I'm a good dancer, so I was just doing that. Until this one came now. It's doing the real, the old damn.
Okay, hey, low key, njengoba sishilile la lalela awutshela abantu abangamakhaya ukuthi bakuthwebula bakuthola abakulandela like Instagram, Facebook, angazi noma namakhoza kubelekile yini bafethu.
It's actually easy out there. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Guys, I go by the name Low Key Lobster. Facebook Low Key Lobster. Your lobsters just need to be LOCSTER. Low Key is a one sentence. You don't have to space between the low and key. So it's one thing. It's Low Key Instagram, Low Key Lobster, Twitter, Low Key Lobster, Facebook. Low Key Lobster in all social media platforms.
That means we lock everything. Okay, guys. So low key, we lock everything. Low key, we have told we also something down. So low key, can we go personally? That manage guys, because I let's see a seat. So low key, guys, let's ask ladies, let's ask, is low key taken against a gala? Call ma'am, call some tips. Call shy is easy or against a gala.
Yeah, well, that's a good question.
Ladies.
Most of the times when I go to the event, I face that challenge.
Okay, yeah. Lapho bonosisi beqhaphela bafoni kade bebona ukuthi yazi asimdawo bethu ngicela ukuthi la.
No, like truly speaking, the someone just that we know yet married, but she's been there since I was small, you know, together. Yeah,
Ladies.
she's there.
It's not available, it's not available. Let me go quickly on a break. Sizobuya lana sibuze futhi lokhu ezinye izinto asiphathele zona. Kodwa njengamanje sithi shelele ngithi uyophuza kancane amanzi ngehlise nokushisa ngibona ukuthi kade ngishaya nethena la.
Yeah, turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah. Oh no, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it paid. Yeah, yeah, no, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah, turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around. Yeah, man, what's up, what's going on, man? Nah, man, just turn around and see more to see, cause I'm just running out of time, man. Call that beach, man, I'm running out of time, man. Let my niggas right now, cause I'm on the way, you know. Okay, let me just hook up the Uber for you. We'll see, man, yeah. Turn around, see the light, don't you lie, cause I know the rules. Turn around, see the light, don't you lie, cause I know the rules. I just wanna get a man before it's 25. And I know a lot of niggas that be asking for my baby bodies, man. Feeling so great now with my nigga with the realest now. I don't wanna run, I just wanna get millions now. I don't wanna run, I just get up with my niggas now. I don't wanna run, I just call up with my fellas now. We be running a lot of tenders, yeah. Young quit to slice up a lot like you. It's in just some sabula like you. We be taking a couple millions in a weekend. You know I'm running on this week, I sick of more. I be chilling with my niggas downtown, yeah. Scott Paula, she guys in Donna Lamins on Tola, who's on comba. Me petty in the Zaman Donna Saka Kota. And you know what I do, yeah. I'm a shine like a diamond, you know. I'm a shine like a diamond, you know. Yeah. Every girl, yeah, I just wanna get it, babe. Yeah. Oh no, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah. Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it paid. Yeah. No, I ain't losing on the faith. Yeah. Turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around, tell me what you see. Turn around. Yo, check this out, there's Mido and there's Doba right there, okay? At the back of the stage, you're gonna find everybody right there. Okay, let me take this call. Slice is calling out right now, okay? We go check it out, man.
Turn around, why you lying now? I know you hate me when you see me with other girls. Turn around, why you lying now? I know you hate me when you see me with other girls. This is not the reason why we fighting. I wanna let the niggas know I'm on it. I wanna hit it till the morning.
Baby girl, yeah, I just wanna get it paid.
Ring a cow. We back from the break, perfect. You're still watching the lovely show called Ring a Cow. It's your boy P Umfanaga Boys into here's RSTV, Rising Sun TV, channel 504. Nasibonela nani bafethu. Sisakhipha lapha Afro West event uPonzo usabangena, just talking libelo khuluma nabantu. But at the same time nizwele nani turn around and low key lockstar Pamjela at the turn around. Nice music video, nice performance. You know this is how we do it. We just try to give and empower young artists. Performance segment. But in the meantime, how to sit to but outing in Ponzo Wakapakiso, Usala Afro West event, we are Kuluma Noban Nomurupe Soul, Hating and Jill, Kuluma and Yazbatiwa, black man you on your own. How to sit to door of a fate to see slow, see ring a cow.
Sanibona nibabukele emakhaya igama lami nguPonzo Muhlakana Pakisi ishintombi yasibatatela kamzongwana kamnqayo ekhona entalela iringa gawu lena channel 504 on Starsend Rising Sun TV. Angihambi ngedwa ke namhlanje ngihamba nobhuti la, a musician and uyizo zonke kahle all in one, ithi talent lalela ngihamba nobhuti Muruba Soul. Welcome to our studio.
Sister, my name is Muruba Soul, and I'm happy to be here.
Please, ngicela ukuthi usitshele utshela abalaleli ukuthi this thing lengizongizidolile ithini into yazo because ngiyeza ukuthi kuthiwa uzenza wena ngezandla. So ngicela ukuthi utshele abalaleli ababukele emakhaya ukuthi iqale kanjani, yabona, all those things.
Yeah, njengoba vele besengizintroducele, my name is Muruba Soul. I'm a musician. I've been doing music since 2000 Mangume High School. So as ngasho ukuthi ngisebenzela abantu abaningi
it goes along with my creativity by artist, yeah, because I'm not just a musician.
Okay.
I'm an artist. I'm trying to be a musician because I'm a creative.
Okay.
So last year, Makali COVID, because of I'm a musician, you didn't get some platform money in terms of us generating income. Those kind of things. So I introduce my other talent, which is in craft. So in crafting, I use a lead and African print. So I started by doing amabheki as well. This is 100% leather.
Yeah, like the quality. The quality is amazing.
Yeah, it's advisable for our high car. So quality. So the concept here, this is leather. So as I was saying, music, you go to so I expand my creativity as an artist.
Okay.
Wow. Because you naturally respond, I must say this. You naturally respond So ubonele umsebenzi wami ku Instagram and then he called me straight ukuthi baba lezinto zenzayo
I know
when 11 so ngifuna wami so wathi makasho leyo nto leyo nami ngaba more inspired because mina bengiyenza as freestyle my creativity ukuthi ngiphethe busy game is like therapy ukwenza lezinto but it's available igama lazo it's Urban Farmer. Urban Farmer it's an organization that's under dealer artists in different forms, in music, in handcraft, you also do the sewing as you can see.
So, ufuna ukutshela ukuthi lo mdanzane lo uzithungele?
Not exactly what you mean, I'm 70 years.
Oh, but
yeah, but it's one fair, like it's a claim of our creatives. Yeah, a claim of our creatives.
No, I think it means of Vagasha has so I promise you to get less cover this. General see like you now let's go. Yes, so very good.
I is actually
yeah, I'm feeling good as well. This is nice. Feels so great. All right, and then the guitar.
When it comes to guitar, as I was saying, this is 2000.
Okay.
Ngaqala 2000 ukudlala iGatar but as an artist and performer I didn't start in 2000. Ngaqala ngisase high school in 1994. Maphuma Mandela thina lesikhathi. Abo riding abo H2O abantu yabo sisonke kumasai from out like ukusungula kwe hip hop I was there. H2O, the Blazing Spear from Zola 2.
Alright, yeah, I got some shout out.
So, then to this you got it from the others. Same as it's 2000. I didn't know how to play guitar, but I liked the energy of the instrument, aside from playing it. So I asked Mahule to guitar, and then Mahule don't buy the guitar. And then they asked
so namhlanje njengoba ku June 16 ithini wena after so many years like do you think ukuthi we know enough as youth uyabona so I just need kancane nje ngoba isikhathi asenza nje ukuthi nje uqaba kancane ukuthi June 16 ithini wena namhlanje
mina kimi June 16 ka 2022 it means change of progress in terms of spread the right message to the kids nathi self uyabona sis express ngendlela true to ourselves self love that's what to understand kuyo as black people understand ukuthi we need to survive in these years. Those zonke lezo zinto lezo sizifake ebhodweni leyi-1, I think ukuthi we're gonna come up with something beautiful. Siraise abantwana. I used to be ukuba youth. Yeah, amongst us youth now. Things. Yeah, but manje now I'm a parent. Life ngibheka ngelisho. Angibuza yona nini answer so answer njengomuntu oludwa. Yeah. So the situation is ukuthi into kumele ezenzeke manje thina sabazali babantwana in these days ukuthi sibanike the right knowledge thina sesirecognize kumele siqale kubo basebancane sibatshele the right things so that bazokuba ba-reacha this age yokuthi babe ba-better to drive the country. So i-June 16 kimi symbolize izinto ezinjalo, positivity uyathola ne-self-love ne-black consciousness so I think ukuthi izinto ezi-important iwama-element ayi-important in-community yethu as black people of South Africa in 2022.
Alright-ke babukele emakhaya sizwile ngokuthi usitshelile nezinto zakhe abazenzayo ezi-amazing. So ngicela ukuthi futhi umtshele ku-social media utholakala kanjani?
Ku-social media kakhulu ku-Facebook, kakhulu futhi I have a YouTube channel. So wonke lezi zinto engizishoyo sebenzisa igama eliwa which is Meropa, so it's MEROPA. Uma ungena kugugula leyo nto leyo, I also have an album out which like in fact I got 2 albums. Nice. Enye ngayirekhoda live e-Unity Gala, that was 2009. But 2020 ngifaka online, so you can find it on Spotify, YouTube and on. And then the second album ngiyirelease iyatholakala kuwo wonke ama-online stores. Yona ireleaswe concept here, it was about self-love.
Okay.
Yes. It was about uthando lomuntu wesilisa nowesifazane, hence ngipheke ifuthi.
Okay.
Because there's a problem if thina sabantu besilisa nabantu besifazane singakhoni ukuthi si-exchange lo thando. We have a big problem. Yeah. So the concept is like that. If thina singahlangana sabantu besilisa nowesifazane,
okay babukele emakhaya siyabonga kakhulu ngenjabulo nolwazi esilitholile namhlanje kuma-guest wethu lana e-studio siringakawu channel 504 Rising Sun.
Ringakawu.
Welcome back usahleli noBonso intombi yaseMatatiyela kamzungwana kamnqayi ngisho phela le khoneni abanye bathi kamnqayi ekoneni mina ngithi kukamnqayi ulambile. Lalela sikuringakawu channel 504 only on Starset. Mamela ke angihambi ngedwa ngihleli nokhaya wami. Hey yazi sihlangana nabantu endaweni ezikude but I'm so happy ukuthi ngize ngahlangana nomuntu enzobiza umkhaya wami. Tell people about yourself ekhaya.
Itholakala isitshaba from Afro-West Media company yabona, and I just want to say hello to everyone there at home and now thank you.
Okay, tell us more about the company and from the beginning until Apo Ikoyo. Just tell people about it.
Afro-West Media, years ago. First of all, my name was I was doing a t-shirt because I wanted to t-shirt brand or something like that.
Okay.
So it was like 2010 or something around there when I started.
Okay.
And then, by 2011,
Yeah, it's
So
really easy.
the t-shirt company fell. Then I went and I told him and then a few years later, I decided, you know what, I need to go back.
Go back. And do it.
You know? Yeah. So I decided, yeah. You know, and also no sevenza. You find that there's lots of politics and one. So just let me start my own thing.
Yeah.
So I thought afterwards apparel was apparel.
Okay.
You know what? Instead of doing whiskey, let me just do graphic design company. So I decided, okay, afterwards media at the end. So that was maybe around 2017. And then I was still working and doing the company. Yeah. Then man, they were figuring this last COVID.
Nice.
So I was like, you know what? Let me just go into full
time, get 100% attention.
So that's what I did, and you know it's been difficult. This is tough, especially when COVID was still around it was really bad then. Business, no one was doing anything. And people were scared to go out and sick.
You know?
If I go to Chad or something, this so then but anyway, we still kept going. And at least this was there. Hence we decided, let's do this event. So okay, let me go back and afterwards it was just graphic design.
Okay.
And then I decided, okay, you know what, let me do videography as well.
Okay.
Color videography, and then shooting music videos and stuff like that. So cool, I expanded from just graphic design to now videography. So I learned new skills as well. Cameras, how they work, and all that, editing, and then this year I decided, you know what, let me go into events as well.
Nice.
My events in my hands now. This is our second event at the June. I'm a very conscious person. Time history and how they are doing, how they can go forward. Yeah. So hence I decided, okay, if I do events, I don't want to be like other people at my events. Mostly, it's these events where it's like it's just one man to a performer.
Yeah.
I decided, you know what, I'm trying to mix the entertainment with the aspect of knowledge, food, and learning. That's why. Yeah. So since I'm going to mix the two together. So that you can bring young people as well to event, who are very interested.
You see.
Yeah, and then when they are there, then you give them a knowledge guys, what is June 16? What is Ishaq Massacre? What is Women's Day? Why did it happen?
Yeah. And now they get to actually learn more about and Bapinde was enjoy because there's artists about performer to keep them interested.
Yes.
That was really nice.
Yes. So that is like afterwards.
Okay. So kahle ufuna ungixelele uba indaba yakho yoretrenchwa was actually the reason you just decided I wasn't doing now I am going like full time 100%.
Yeah, you know what? Yes.
And if I ask about sometimes you go to a
Exactly. Yeah, it's very true. Because what was happening, I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm starting this company. The company, they might say, right, then I'm leaving my job.
Okay. yena ubazi ba yintoni ayibekile for wena.
Yeah, you just need to push it. So so instead of going to calm,
feel sorry for yourself. Yeah, it's indeed. And you
the next one.
Yes, and next until you get what you want. Okay, come tell them about abantu bazofumana kanjani xa ufuna like Twitter handles, Facebook. Bese uqala ngalo beskipha because ndiyabona uba isize yam futhi.
So this is one of the designs that he used specifically for 2016. So that design it started out as e-post. Because if you join the poster for the event, it looks in a so then I thought, you know what, no man, turn this thing into a t-shirt, turn it into a logo. You know what? Turn it into a brand.
You see?
June 16. So even next year, uzoyibona.
Decided Zoshuba, I go into M9 kuba June 16 like it's like even next year you can use it June 16 and.
Exactly. So people can find me who Afro West Media, Facebook, Instagram,
Twitter,
Twitter, but I'm not really a Twitter person. And people are getting depressed. So in Twitter, I haven't really ever liked it much. I was mostly a Facebook person. Then one thing Instagram was like, Instagram is really nice. So those three. YouTube, same handle. Even on Twitter, if you're on Twitter, you can follow, but we ask for active. So if you really want to get in touch, those three: Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. It's Afro West Media.
Okay, ngibabukele makhaya nezizwele from the horse's mouth ukuthi nimthola kuphi umkhaya wami njengoba echilo ke nayo wathi esi skipper si size yami and sizakufanela and sizokusincela ngisho uba hayi kaloku siphuma sonke kamzobana phaya matati yena uyabona le sweet matati we are doing it Mamela, it was a lovely day ukuthi nje sihlale and as a youth and talk about June 16 ukuthi ichaza ukuthini to us and you see the performances sibona abantu becula and showcasing ama talent wabo and sisase uRinga Kawu channel 504 only on Starset Mamela season 2 and I'm your co-host Ubonso Phakisi intombi yaseMatatela kamzonga ngisho phela le khoneni intabi abanye base kamnqayolambile abanye base kubamnqayoleni khaya bavalisa.
Oh yes. Eka, please follow us on Afro West Media, Facebook, Twitter, and Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Please follow us, support, like, the work here, and also watch out. We've got more events coming up. Women's Day, and we're going to be coming. Even some land and connect with us and come to the events, and you can learn something. Peace.
Peace out. Bye bye.
Hayi ke ngizwele nani bafethu yazi thiwa iqala ngomlomo iqedwa ngomlomo Ringa Kawu yiso ke lesikhathi sokuthi manje sinishiye sihambe ngoba hayi sihlalile phela sakhuluma nabantu nizibonele nani lapha yana e-studio thiwa turn around asiperformela lapho low key ushaya into zakhe nice music video izinto zalunga ziyangena because it's all about giving platform to up and coming artists but before sinweba nizibonela nawo sister Pakiso uyile lapha yana so wethu kasilamakasi lapha eKoma Road ukhuluma nabantu aba different but kusi educator kancane basihabisa basitshela kancane ngemibono yabo about June 16. So isikhathi sokuthi sinishiye bafethu. It's your boy B umfana ka Boyzens. So if you want us to come to your spaces ukhuluma nawo ongasabi, the number is on the screen asibonela nawe. But you can add a like on Facebook uthi Ringakao, Facebook just to add a comment to engage nathi, and then Instagram Ringakao. The one and only boy that does his own cinematography. He's a filmmaker. He produces and directs his own stuff. So he edits and then he produces his own. Ringakao.